How to install Filmplus to Firestick TV. I'm going to tell you how to install Filmplus to your Firestick TV. Filmplus isn't available on the Amazon App Store, so you'll need to sideload it using a tool called Downloader. Step 1. On your Firestick home screen, go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Step 2. Install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Open Downloader and enter this URL, filmplus.app, or the direct APK link if you have it. After it downloads, select Install. Once it's done, choose Open to launch Filmplus or Done if you want to delete the APK and save space. Optional but smart. Use a VPN when streaming with Filmplus. It pulls from unofficial sources, so protect your privacy.